guys, welcome back to Craft for the Curve. Do you know what Craft for the Curve is?
I do.
What is it?
It's where, I think, is it where we craft for 15 days?
With things that we already have at home.
Yes.
And me and 4 other YouTubers are doing this, and we are using the hashtag Craft for the Curve, and you can join in on the fun. Find the YouTubers down in the description, as well as the awesome sponsors that are giving away a ton of cool stuff. We're on day 9 or 10-ish. I'm not really sure what day we're on, but that's the day we're on. Did you already put soil on these?
No.
Why do they have dirt in them?
Mine doesn't.
Oh, that's weird. Okay, so today we are going to paint some terracotta pots, and you can use pots that you already have, or maybe you already have some that are painted and you want to repaint them. Now's a good time to repaint them. So we're going to use our chalked up paint because this is a professional craft. Professional craft. And the professionals can use the chalked up paint.
When we not professional.
Well, then we use the cheap paint. But the chalked up paint is really awesome for this. One, because it dries super fast, so we can do layers. You just need a tiny bit. You don't have to do a ton. And then that's about it. So we're going to get painting these things. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
And you're doing a sunflower, right?
Yes.
And you can put decals on these.
I'm doing multiple sunflowers.
Okay. So you can put decals on these. I know that Mr. Crafty Pants actually did succulents for his day 1, and he did little cute decals. But we're just going to paint them with our chalked up paint because we just want to get it done, right? All right, because we got to get this on the internet. Okay, so I painted the bottom and now I'm going in over the rim, and I just wanted to show you guys how fast our paint does actually dry. So I just went around the entire top with the first coat, and by the time I got all the way around, it was completely dry. So I'm gonna show you guys for the second coat how fast it actually dries. So I'm gonna do this, then I'm just gonna rotate it. Probably not going to lay it down completely because it won't be dry once it's on the back, but by the time it gets back around to the front, it'll be dry. So if you wanted to do a CRICUT decal with vinyl, or like I'm going to go in with glitter, it won't stick to the back of it because the back will be completely dry. So I'm just going to roll this around. Again, I'd be using the silicone mat, but I got dirt all over my silicone mat because for some reason there was dirt in these. I'm just gonna go around. This again is my second coat. I'm using about 2 coats. Each color is gonna be a little different just because their scientific makeup is a little different. But with this color, it's gonna need about 3 coats, but it goes such a long way and you can really build with it. So let's see, I am now on this side and it is pretty much dry. Like I'll give it a few more seconds, like maybe 20 more seconds, and then I can go in for the third coat. is upside down. So then I turned it over and I was like, we don't need an upside down rainbow. So that's why I tried to do this. And then you can see how well the paint and the glitter cover that bright redness up just fine. It's awesome. So then I have to go in and clean it up with some more of that teal color later. But it layers so well. I love it. Alrighty, that's a wrap for the day. What did you do?
I did not do a base color, and I painted these really cute sunflowers.
Super cute.
And then I just put little white polka dots.
I tried to talk her into doing glitter, but she didn't. So I did enough glitter for the whole neighborhood. So I did the rainbow, clearly.
So pretty.
I don't know why I've been doing rainbows for this entire challenge, but I love the sunshine and the rainbows. So I also wanted to use all the colors of paint and glitter. I couldn't decide on one. I do need to clean this up a bit because, like I said, I kind of painted a rainbow upside down, but I covered it well with all the other colors. It covers so good. So
Oh, you forgot to do your cloud.
I know, because I have to get this video on the internet. Yeah, it has to go up today because it's craft for the curve, okay? All right, we'll see you tomorrow with I don't know what.
Peace.